Welcome back to Wegyanik. In today's video, we will learn how to use a buzzer with ESP32. So today, let's see how we can make a buzzer beep on and off using a simple program. Before we begin, don't forget to watch all the previous tutorials through the link provided in the description. Let's see how to connect the buzzer. First, place the buzzer on the breadboard like this. Connect the negative pin of the buzzer to GND, that's it. Then connect the positive pin of the buzzer to D5 of ESP32. Only 2 wires are needed. And our circuit is complete. Now, just connect the ESP32 to the computer. Then simply copy the code from the website. And now let's quickly understand this code. First, we create a variable named buzzer pin and set it to number 5. In the setup part, we tell ESP32 that the buzzer pin is an output. In the loop, we turn the buzzer on for 1 second and then off for 1 second. This keeps repeating again and again, making the buzzer beep on and off continuously. Now upload the code to your ESP32 board, and you will hear the buzzer making a beep sound every second. That's how simple it is to control a buzzer with ESP32. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.